What's up, lovely people? Sam here from Samyara's Den, and we're back with another unboxing video. And today what we wanted to show you was the Belgian waffle maker that we ordered from Wonderchef. Now, the reason why we got a Belgian waffle maker is an interesting one and a funny story. Back in 2013, I think, when I was visiting Brussels on a business trip, I ended up tasting some Belgian waffles over there, and I kid you not, that has ruined it for life for me. Because ever since I had my benchmark set over there for waffles, wherever I traveled in the world, I could not find something that matched up to what I experienced back in 2013. Every other place that I visited, the waffles are either too crunchy or too dry, or they're too soggy. The Belgian waffles, they're light and fluffy, crisp on the outside, and they simply melt in your mouth. You scoop up a bite, they're served with whipped cream and a couple of fresh chopped fruits, a drizzle of icing sugar, and maybe a little bit of chocolate syrup poured on the top. Every scoop you take simply melts in your mouth. And I simply couldn't find anything like that anywhere else. And for the longest time, Dilyara has been craving for waffles, and we could not find anything that matched up to even her expectations of waffles. So you can imagine that we've really been wanting to get a waffle maker, and we finally settled on this one. Now, funny story again, I did order another waffle maker, but Amazon didn't really call out explicitly that that waffle maker was made for the American power grid. So I had to return that product because the cost of a step-down converter was twice the price of the actual product, and it just didn't make any sense. So anyway, I found this one on Amazon and I decided to pick it up because it is the Belgian waffle shape, which has deeper pockets and is round in shape, which typically leaves room for airier, fluffier waffles compared to your traditional American waffle makers, which are usually square in shape. The other reason why I chose this one over some of the other Belgian waffle makers in the market is it actually has a temperature control knob on it. So this helps you set the amount of heat that you can apply to it, which ensures that you're able to get either light brown to a very crisp, well-made waffle over there. So let's go ahead and start unboxing it. Oh, comes with a nice handle. Okay, so this rotates 180 degrees, but not the other way. So don't try to force it the other way. The handle locks this way, but you can still open it. It doesn't typically lock it, but when you do it like this, yep, same thing. You've got your nice deep pockets over here, and this is the drip tray. So in case, it's too wet, your batter, and you flip it across and it drips down, at least this catches it for you. A minimum maximum knob. It's got minimum, max, and off. So yeah, there you have it. This is all that's in the box for the Wonderchef Belgian waffle maker, and we'll be back with another video on how we go ahead making some amazing waffles. So stay tuned for that. I'm Sam from Samyara's Den. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, bye-bye.